Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori has reiterated his commitment to bringing about infrastructural revolution in Delta State. Governor Oborevwori made this known during the signing of a contract agreement between Delta State government and German construction giant Julius Berger Nigeria PLC recently at Government House, Asaba.
The government of Delta State recently signed a contract awarded to German construction company Julius Berger Nigeria PLC for the construction of 3 flyovers and road expansion projects around the Oborevwori axis of the state, expected to give the commercial nerve center a facelift. This includes flyovers at the popular Naira Junction, PTI Junction and DSC roundabout along Efrun Patani, and road expansion and improvement work on the section of the DSC MPA Expressway from Efrun roundabout to the DSC roundabout. The projects, estimated at 78 billion naira, are expected to ease the burden of commuters and improve the socio-economic fortunes of the people around the Oborevwori axis of the state. Governor Sheriff Oborevwori, who observed that the projects were in fulfillment of his campaign promises, expressed confidence in the ability of the contractor to deliver in record time.
It is a major step forward in this administration's plan to kickstart an infrastructural revolution that will change the face of Oborevwori and environs as contained in our MORE agenda.
On his part, the managing director of Julius Berger Nigeria PLC, Dr. Lars Richer, said the governor and the people of the state could count on the construction giant to deliver a good job.
The Delta State government has shown their vision and foresight in a true investment in infrastructure for progress. We commend the Delta State government for this, and we are honored to be the chosen partners for the construction of this vision. We are also looking forward to a successful partnership, a great achievement, and the commencement of a new era to the benefit of the people of Delta State.
In their reaction, some top government functionaries described the newly signed contract as part of Governor Oborevwori's comprehensive infrastructure development program as contained in the MORE agenda, which is his social contract with the people.
This goes to say a lot about the MORE agenda of His Excellency. Deltans should expect more.
This is the first in Delta State. He has set the pace for others to follow. As a people, the local governments, the people within the environment, we will do our best to make sure there's peace for them to execute their jobs.
In a related development, some residents of Oborevwori have hailed Governor Oborevwori and his team for the ongoing reconstruction work at the Upper and Lower Erejua roads constructed several decades ago by the late Samuel Ogbemudia administration in the old Bendel state. The residents told Inside the Niger Delta recently in Oborevwori that the ongoing work on the dilapidated road network was commendable and would boost commercial activities in the area.
From the past how many years now that they measure the road, they don't want to do the road. So as they start, for me, I like and well.
His Excellency is the second Ogbemudia that is coming to uplift this environment with this kind of project.
The Upper and Lower Erejua Road construction project, as well as the rehabilitation of Esisi Road from Oborevwori Sapele Road to Estate Roundabout with a spur to Nana College, linking Ajamimoga, were approved at the inaugural meeting of the State Executive Council in August this year. Meanwhile, the South-South Working Committee of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, has described Governor Oborevwori as a worthy ambassador of the party. The party made the declaration recently when the Chief Dan Obi-led South-South Zonal Working Committee of the PDP paid a courtesy visit to the governor at the Government House, Asaba.
You have shown great example of what leadership is all about. You have not abandoned critical federal link roads in this state. You are doing them because of your love for Delta people. I believe others will emulate from what you are doing.
In his response, the governor appreciated members of his party for their support and assured them of justifying the trust reposed in him by the good people of Delta State.
Inside the Niger Delta,